So Joe, where are we at today?
We're at the Aviation RAAFA Museum in Bull Creek.
That's right.
In Western Australia.
And today, we're
going to be opening this Sopwith Camel, and you can see there's a red baron down there as well.
Yeah, that's right. So the Sopwith Camel was England's main fighter at the end of the war. It had a top speed of 113 miles an hour with a 130 horsepower engine. And it was a biplane armed with two Vickers 303 machine guns. Joe, do you know what a biplane means?
That means two wings.
That's right, it's got two wings. And it was a very unstable design, so it was very maneuverable, but because it was so unstable, a lot of rookie pilots crashed their planes. So, but if they mastered it, it was a very good fighter against the Germans. So the kit we have today is of
Roy Brown.
Roy Brown. Who was Roy Brown, Joe, do you know?
A captain of the Sopwith Camels.
That's right. Do you know what country he was from?
Canada.
Yes, he's from Canada. And how many victories did Roy Brown have?
10.
10. He shot down 10 German planes. Now, who was the most famous German fighter pilot he fought against?
Red Baron.
The Red Baron. That's right. I think there's a picture of him, like you said, right over there. But did he really shoot down the Red Baron? We're not sure. Or who do historians think really shot down the Red Baron?
It was this guy who was an anti-aircraft gun, and he was Australian.
He was from Australia, and we actually have a piece of the Red Baron's airplane right over here. There's a little swatch of it.
And this is
Swatch of the
1K. This is the balloon.
And there's the dirigibles, that's right. And here's a picture of the Red Baron. Right?
Yeah, that's
And he shot down 80 English airplanes. Alrighty. Got the instructions. And the tracks we got 1, 2, 3, 4 propeller.
I found him.
You want to get straight into building the man? Okay, you build the guy, and then I'll start sorting pieces and stuff like that.
Can you help me open this? Aha, found it.
Found his body?
I just need to find.
Sort the yellow pieces.
We blocked together that. Love Sopwith Camels. They're my favorite Formula 1 thing.
Are they?
Yeah.
That's a good question.
Yeah. What's your favorite Formula 1 thing? I know. Don't try playing. You're the German. triplane is like an English tank.
Yep, okay. And the stickers.
Here.
So there's a completed model. What does it do? The propeller spins like that one? Ailerons are moving. How about the wheels? How about way around? Let's take a look at them. Close up. Yeah. He's got a blue scarf just like you.
This is where you can only get them from the gift shop for at, and that's what it's going to look like. But they do not have the Sopwith Camel, but that's what it looks like on the side, but that's the red bearing. So, I hope you have a lovely day and see you next time.
Where are you at now?
It's
What are you having for lunch?
toasties.
Yeah, is it good? And there's your model we just finished building. We'll figure out what we'll do next.
Build the triplane as well.
You think we'll do the triplane next?
If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.